I'm going to show you how to make your Vite projects build up to 16 times faster using a Rust-based bundler from Void Zero that has recently reached feature parity with Vite, meaning it works as a drop-in replacement with your existing plugins and configs, but gives some amazing performance improvements. In fact, let's try it out right now, and you should also try hitting that subscribe button. So this is a simple React project with 10,000 JSX components, mainly showing icons, and a similar amount of JS modules in the Node modules folder. Building the whole thing with Vite takes around 14 seconds without SWC on my M1 MacBook Pro, but with Rolldown-Vite, it takes under 4 seconds. That's around 70% faster, and all I did was change this line of code. Now for smaller projects like this one with 1,000 JSX components, the difference between Vite and Vite Rolldown isn't that big, but this is still really cool. I mean, it made Excalidure's build time 16 times faster, and it reduced GitLab's from 2.5 minutes to just 40 seconds. But let's take a step back and explain what's happening. Vite currently uses ESBuild for bundling during development, so tree shaking, code splitting, minification, and other things, and Rollup written in JavaScript for bundling in production, which, let's just say, isn't the best language for building performant tools. So the Vite team, aka Void Zero, have been working on Rolldown, a Rust-based bundler, with the aim of replacing both ESBuild and Rollup, which uses the oxidation compiler behind the scenes, providing high-performance tools like a linter, minifier, and formatter. Again, all written in Rust. I think I'm starting to see a pattern here. But with other Rust-based bundlers like rspack and farm, it would be interesting to see who comes out on top. Also, what's the fascination with Rust? I mean, ESBuild built in Go seems to be faster than rspack. Just saying.